All right, for phonics today, we're going to look at some pictures and talk about the words and what we notice. The first picture is a spoon. So I'm going to write the word spoon. P, ooh, and that ooh sound that we hear is two O's. Spoon, spoon. All right, so we see a spoon. What else do we see? We see a moon. So I'm going to write the word moon. Spoon and moon. What do you notice about the words spoon and moon? If you think that the words spoon and moon kind of sound the same or they rhyme, you're right. The words spoon and moon sound the same and they rhyme. And these words rhyme because they have the same ending sounds. They both have the oon sound at the end. The only part of these words that is different are the beginning parts of the word. So SP and M are different letters and different sounds, but the endings of both of these words stayed the same. So these words rhyme. So you can change the beginning sound of a word to make a new word that rhymes. Let's try another one together. We see a sock and a clock. Let's write these words. Ah. Notice how I'm sounding out my letters as I write them. This can help you with your writing and your spelling. Sock, sock. Now let's write clock. Clock, sock, and clock. What do we notice about these words? If you notice that these words rhyme again, you're right. They both have the same ending sound. Sock, clock. They both have the awk sound at the end. The only thing that is different is the beginning sound. So we can take the word sock and we can change the beginning sound or change the S. The beginning sound is the letter that comes first. And we can change that S into a CL and keep the same ending sound to make a new word that rhymes, sock and clock. So for your all's assignment today, I am going to put a Google form and I'm going to give you guys a word and I want you to change the beginning sound of that word to make a word that rhymes. And you're really going to have to think on your own how you can change that beginning sound and what letter can you change it to make a word that rhymes.